The National Gallery of Indonesia is a state cultural institution or a museum of modern and contemporary art. There is a building that functions, among others, as a place for exhibition and exhibition of Indonesian and foreign art. This gallery was established on May 8, 1999. This building is a government-owned institution under the Ministry of Education and Culture. The function of the Indonesian National Gallery is to conduct studies, collection, maintenance, security, exhibition, partnership, education, and publication of works of art. Its main function is to protect, develop, and utilize artistic assets as educational and cultural facilities. The National Gallery of Indonesia is located at Jalan Medan Merdeka Timur, number 14 Central, Jakarta.
The activity of the Indonesian National Gallery building are very different, from exhibition, preservation, scientific seminar, scientific discussion, film screening, art performance, festival competition, and other with the aim of education and cultural introduction to the wider community. In addition, the National Gallery of Indonesia holds collection approximately 1,700 work from Indonesia figures ranging from paintings, photographers, and sculptures. There are also works by prominent artists from non-Allegheny countries like Sudan, India, Peru, Cuba, Vietnam, Myanmar, and others.
One Saturday, April 16, 2022, Group 4 planned a visit to the Indonesian National Gallery. The first building to be visited is Building A. Building A is a permanent exhibition venue for the collection of the Indonesian National Gallery. The permanent exhibition of the Indonesian National Gallery collection is presented through story characterial approaches. 1. Memory monument. The work of the Indonesian National Gallery collection contextualizes in the development of national history, which are divided into 7 important periods that marked the journey of Indonesian art. 2. Faris 1959, Jakarta 1905. Work from the International Collection of the National Gallery of Indonesia, which were awarded by rock artists based in Paris. 1959 and participant in the non-aligned movement exhibition in Jakarta. 1995. 3. A collection of 20 years of execution of fine art by the National Gallery of Indonesia. 1999, 219.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahma Indah Mawarni. I am from class 21 B1A, Elementary School Teacher Education of Pelita Bangsa University. I am from group 4 in English course. Now, I am in front of the National Gallery of Indonesia building with my team, group 4, on Jalan Medan Merdeka Timur number 14, Central Jakarta. And now I will introduce my team.
My name is Satya Mina. I'm from Group 4.
My name is Indah Sada. I am Group 4.
My name is Fitan Rahman. I'm from Group 4. My name is Cantika Aini. I'm from Group 4. Now, let's begin.
The first artwork on display when we enter building A is the artwork from Melocharsma entitled A Taste of Behind in 2018. A Taste of Behind discusses the norm in dress that always change according to trends. Melocharsma tries to start a new trend by showing the part of the human body that is usually style covered, namely the buttocks. Bird clothing has been worn in Indonesia for thousands of years and during colonial times, mostly covered the genitals. During the colonial period, people were conditioned to change the design of their bark coats to cover their bodies more completely by wearing cloth fiber. Besides A Taste of Behind, there is an artwork from Melocharsma entitled Wearing the Horizontal. The work of Wearing the Horizontal describes a dress that is almost impossible to wear because it is horizontal and not yet wearable. Through the horizontal dress, we get a glimpse of what the future holds. That is, we will lie down toward that. The dress is large enough to attract attention. In addition to its horizontal shape, the clothes are neatly and uniquely made.
After that, 9 2-meter high wayang golek figures will welcome visitor when they enter building I, accompanied by a song sung by a resident singer. These dolls are the work of Sri Astari Rasjid, a female artistic who is also the former Indonesia ambassador to Bulgaria and also Albania and North Macedonia. Thus, night giant doll representation inflation women from various backgrounds and different ages. They are Asia, Maryam, Khadijah, Dewi Saraswati, Fatima, Siti Hajar, Tahire, Kuan Im, and Dewi Sri. This work is also displayed in perform that resemble the Ruwatan ritual in Japanese culture. Throughout her aesthetic career, Sri Astari Rasjid has been known as an artistic who always promotes the energy and power of women. She is also often inspired by Japanese culture, while she later reformulation through contemporary ages, as can be seen in her work with words features in Indonesian woman architecture expedition infusion into contemporary art.
Melati Suryadharma is one of the Indonesian performance artists who always explore her body to create works. Melati has been known internationally in more than 2 decades through her long duration and heavy intensity body works. This thesis uses visual art approach, examining the construction of the visual elements that carry the meaning in Melati performance for amnesia. Using Terry Barrett and Jeremy Stolnitz's analysis on art elements, the author found several aesthetic forms and ideals behind the visual and performance apparatus of the work. The author also borns Claire Bishop's ideal on space and time phenomena in the installation work to enrich the interpretation of this long-duration and spacious performance. Through amnesia melatih discussion, dark histories, and social response that follows. In this case, questioning of remembering, forgetting, and forgiving, the construction of the thought starts in element of gesture, sound, the concept of space installation, artifact, tempo, minimalist, and repetition. During this fifth horror performance, Surya Dharma swears black pieces of clothing, cones and marks traces on the wall. Repeatedly say, "I am sorry." In this performance, the acts of sewing and her body movements have an allegorical meaning of collection, dabbling of scarred memories and feelings. This indicates the connection between the past and the present on a personal level, as well as the some connection in the domestic space formed around her on a social level, suggesting human relationship with history.
Tita Ruby repeats history itself, 2016. A golden robe stood erect. There was no human figure in the robe. This is a spice-based installation art. Nutmeg is the main ingredient. This is repeats history itself, an installation art by the Bandung artist Tita Ruby. Repeats history itself is an imagination of the luxury of spices, made of thousands of gold-plated nutmeg rods in a robe that stands tall and glitters. Nutmeg is the main material for the installation work. Repeats history itself. This installation art has a hallucinogenic effect in the form of visual distortion and paranoid ideation. Like the story of the past, the dispute over power over the native plants of the 10 groups of the Banda Neira Island since the 16th century.
The next room contains various work by Dian Anggraini. There is a painting entitled Perempuan Ibu, made in 2020. Women have a high position because women are the mother of human descent. Because of his nature as a hereditary holder, which implies a set of values about love, sacrifice, strength, tenderness, and intertwined politics. However, the role of woman is often not discussed because it is considered as something natural. What if a woman engages in Trivikrama, exercising all her energy and will over something this is considered to violate the value of truth? The next work, entitled Bunda, was made in 2018. The position of women and mothers contains a holy commandment that is often faced with obstacles and dangers in their lives, and there is a painting entitled Titian, made in 2020. Two different eras of life present a conception of human identity and characters in the complementation of modern Debates give rise to information of women in sharing situations, so there is a demand for women to redefine their roles and perspectives in growing awareness of the glue. That's because the foundation of cultural values in Earth area.
Next, group 4, move it to building B. Building B is the finish for the Indonesia Women Art 3, infusion into contemporary art exhibition featuring 13 works as paintings, sculptures, installation, new media, and performance art. The work of 10 Indonesia family artists will play an important role in the development of contemporary Indonesian art, especially through experiment and appreciation both at regional, national, and international level, including Armaini, Bibi Anali, Dolorosa Sinaga, Dian Anggraini, Indah Arsyad, Melati Suryodarmo, Mela Zarsma, Nunung W.S. Sri, Astari Rashid, and Tita Ruby. After visiting through the entrance to Building B, we were presented with view of various exhibition posters that have been held at the Indonesia National Gallery. On the table are all catalog of exhibition held by the artists along with the names of the characters. It also includes fixture and expression of the artist at work.
In the next room, there are works by Dolorosa Sinaga entitled Image on a Blackboard 2015, Concise History of Mass Murder of 1965 in Indonesia 2015. Life is a Long Song, Homage to Jethro Tull 2018. Dance of Freedom 2017, Dance Your Life 2018, etc. Dolorosa is an outstanding sculptor from North Sumatra, Indonesia. His works are made of bronze. Besides bronze, Dolorosa also uses aluminum with a resin coating, which makes her work lighter and more elegant, especially in the Dancing Woman series. Reviewing Dolorosa's work over the past 4 decades, it can be observed that more than 600 sculptors talk about human life from all sides of life. We have seen the collection in the Indonesian National Gallery. we as the youth generation are obliged to preserve them. For those of you who visit Jakarta, don't forget to visit the Indonesian National Gallery. That's all from Group 4. Sorry if there are mistakes. Hopefully this video can help all of you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.